Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So there are two ways to take a screenshot. The first one is a combination of three keys, Windows, Shift and S. And the other way to take a screenshot is by pressing print screen button. Once you use one of these two options, you'll have to select one of the four screenshot modes. The first one is the rectangular one, and to take a rectangular screenshot, you have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of. Once you do that, you will see the notification popping up in the bottom right corner of the screen, and by clicking on it, you can see the preview of the image that you made. And in order to quickly change it, edit it, you can use these quick tools at the top of your screen. You can also edit it in Paint by clicking right here. You can save the result by clicking right here. And if you want to find your screenshot, you have to go to File Explorer, then open the Pictures folder, go to Screenshots, and your screenshot will be right here. Now the next way to take a screenshot is a windowed screenshot. And if you want to take a windowed screenshot, you have to select this option and then click on a window that you want to take a screenshot of. And the screenshot will look somewhat like this. And the following screenshot mode is the full screen screenshot. Basically all you have to do is click right here and the screenshot will be taken. And it will be the screenshot of your entire screen. And the last mode of the screenshot is a freeform screenshot. And basically it's just like a rectangular screenshot, except for you can draw any shape that you like on your screen, and it will look, well, it doesn't quite show here, but maybe in the pictures folder. So it looks somewhat like this. And that's it basically. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.